Good morning, Bobcats. My name is Mr. Taylor, principal of Bridgetown Middle School, and it is my pleasure to welcome students, families, and faculty to Bridgetown Middle School's first ever virtual 8th grade celebration. It is my honor to speak to this incredible 8th grade class. This 8th grade class is kind, motivated, and hardworking. I remember the day you all walked into BMS as 6th graders. You were much smaller, not very confident, and you did everything we asked without complaint. Now, as you leave us after 3 years, you are much bigger, use more deodorant, have an abundance of confidence, and you complain about everything we ask you to do. But we understand, over the past 3 years, things have changed. You see things differently, you understand life differently, you are different, and the world is different. Seeing things differently means you have grown to form your own thoughts and opinions. You see things differently because you are curious. You see things differently because your body's thoughts and emotions have exploded over the past 3 years. You see things differently because you can see how failure and struggle can lead to growth and success. You see things differently because you have to figure it out for yourself. You see things differently because your teachers have pushed you beyond what you thought you could do. You see things differently because the adults in your life have loved and cared for you. To understand things differently means that you have a greater educated view of the world. The American author J.K. Rowling said, "It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well have not lived at all, in which case you fail by default." You understand that failure is not an option. You understand life differently because you have a deeper knowledge of math, science, language, music, and art. You understand life differently because you have experience. You understand life differently because you have built and lost friendships. You understand life differently because you have fought and lost, not only to fight harder and smarter the next time. You understand life differently because you can no longer take your teachers' or parents' word as the undeniable truth. You understand life differently because the adults in your life have loved and cared for you. You are different because you have grown and matured. You are different because you are starting to care about others more than you care about yourself. You are different because time is becoming more precious and not something that should be hurried or rushed. You are different because your world is getting smaller and bigger at the same time. You are different because love is different. You are different because the adults in your life have loved and cared for you. The world is different because it is a conflicted, messy, uncontrollable, amazing place. Steven Spielberg once said to a group of young people, "Your job is to create a world that lasts forever." The world is different because you have a greater vocabulary. The world is different because you watch the news. The world is different because you read books without pictures. The world is different because technology changes every 5 days. The world is different because you can no longer go to movies or eat at a restaurant or visit friends or hear these remarks in person. The world is different because the adults in your life have loved and cared for you through it all. You are an amazing group of young adults. Bridgetown Middle School is a better place because you were here. We will miss you. I will miss you. The world will be okay. Things will get back to normal. It will look a bit different, but the world will one day be yours. Give your parents a huge hug and say thank you. Thank your teachers, and from this day forward, make your life extraordinary.